Concrete is a composite material that has revolutionized modern construction. It consists of several key ingredients that work together through chemical and physical processes to create a strong, durable, and versatile building material. Let's examine each component in detail. Cement is the binding agent in concrete. Portland cement, the most common type, is a fine gray powder produced by heating limestone and clay at very high temperatures. When mixed with water, cement undergoes a chemical reaction called hydration, creating a paste that binds the other materials together. Cement typically comprises 10 to 15% of concrete's volume but plays the most critical role in its strength development. Fine aggregates, commonly known as sand, consist of small particles that pass through a 4.75 mm sieve. They can be natural sand from rivers or beaches, or manufactured by crushing stone. Fine aggregates fill the voids between coarse aggregates and cement paste, improving the concrete's workability and reducing shrinkage. They typically comprise 25 to 30% of the concrete mix by volume. A typical concrete mix by volume consists of approximately 70% coarse aggregate, 15% fine aggregate, 10% cement, and 5% water. These proportions can vary significantly based on the desired strength, workability requirements, and environmental conditions. Engineers carefully design mix proportions to achieve specific performance characteristics for each project. The hydration process is the chemical reaction between cement and water that produces concrete's strength. In stage 1, cement particles and water are thoroughly mixed. In stage 2, a chemical reaction begins, forming calcium silicate hydrate gel and other compounds that bind the materials together. In stage 3, these compounds continue to grow and interlock, creating a hardened, crystalline structure. Concrete typically reaches about 65% of its design strength in 7 days and full strength at 28 days, though the hydration process continues for months. To conclude, concrete is a remarkable composite material made from 5 essential components: cement, water, fine aggregates, coarse aggregates, and admixtures. Each component plays a vital role in the final product's performance. Proper proportioning and quality control of these materials are essential to achieve the desired strength, durability, and workability. Understanding these fundamental materials enables civil engineers to design and construct safe, efficient, and long-lasting structures. Thank you for learning about the constituent materials of concrete.